guys, Ranoshevsky here, and in this screencast I'm going to show you how to add a vignette to your photo using the camera raw filter. A vignette is basically an image's brightness at the edges compared to the center. So I'll have like a circle going around an image, and inside the circle it will be lighter compared to outside of the circle, which would be darker. So it'll basically center focus in wherever you want in the picture. But to start off, I'm going to convert my image to a smart object so that my original image is untouched and unharmed. I'll go ahead and do that, convert to a smart object. Then I'll go up to filter, camera raw filter, which I'll be adding my vignette to. And up here in the top you have a bunch of options, but I'll go ahead and click the radial filter to create a circle. And you can just go in the middle, click and drag to create the circle. I'll go ahead and just create something here really quick. Now over here on the right you have a bunch of options. Now anything with these options, anything you adjust, it will adjust the outside of the circle only. So the exposure is how dark you want the outside to be, or how bright. But I'll go ahead and just darken it up a little bit. The contrast is basically the same thing. I'll change that to 40. The clarity is how clear on the outside of the circle will be. So if I went ahead and took this down, and you probably really can't tell, but it's not as clear, and I guess, yeah, clear, but I'll go ahead and bring it up to 100%. And you have the feather here. We all know what the feather does. You can drag it all the way to the left, and it'll be just a straight line, but I want to add to a feather. I'll go ahead and do that. You can also disable the overlay to see what you're actually working on and re-enable it. You can also change the color on the outside of the circle to anything you want. So what if I just want it blue? Let's go ahead and change it blue, hit OK. Now it's blue on the outside. You can also rotate the circle any way you want. So if you want blue in the edges and the original color of the image to be in the center, you can do that. To clear all, you can just hit clear all and start fresh. You can also add multiple circles if you wanted to. So if I had one in the middle, make it going like that, I'll just hit new and go ahead and just draw another one. Flip-flopped it. Make it smaller. You can also inverse the effect to go on the inside. So the blue is on the inside and it's not doing anything on the outside. And now just go ahead and hit delete on my keyboard to get rid of that. And to go back and edit the one you had, you just got to click on the circle and you could go ahead and edit from there. But I'll go ahead and make this the way I want it to be, hit OK, and show you the changes. I'll change the color to like a green effect. Hit OK, and it'll render it, and that's basically it. Now you have a vignette to your photo.